Blue.cc versus Trello versus Monday.com. A detailed comparison of project management tools. When choosing a project management tool, the decision often boils down to balancing features, ease of use, and cost. Blue.cc versus Trello versus Monday.com highlights 3 powerful tools that aim to streamline team workflows and project tracking. In this comparison, we'll break down the pricing, features, and pros and cons of each platform so you can choose the right tool for your business. The role of project management tools. Managing tasks, collaborating with team members, and tracking project progress are essential for any business, regardless of size. Project management tools simplify this process by organizing tasks, deadlines, and communication in a single place. Whether you're leading a startup or managing a large enterprise, the right tool can drastically improve efficiency and team coordination. In this comparison, we'll examine 3 platforms that cater to different needs. Each has its unique strengths, and depending on your team's requirements, one of these might be the ideal fit for you. Price comparison. When selecting a project management tool, the price is a key consideration. Here's a look at how Blue.cc, Trello, and Monday.com compare on this front. Blue.cc is one of the newer players in the project management market and offers competitive pricing. Blue.cc offers a free plan that includes unlimited users and up to 10 projects, making it ideal for small teams or individual users. Pro plan. At $5 per user per month, the Pro plan includes advanced project management features such as time tracking, file storage, and task dependencies. Enterprise plan. Blue.cc also offers an enterprise plan with custom pricing for larger organizations needing more storage, security, and priority support. Blue.cc's pricing is affordable and straightforward, making it an attractive option for small teams and startups. Trello's pricing model is simple and caters to various team sizes. Free plan. Trello's free plan allows unlimited cards and boards with up to 10 team boards. This plan is sufficient for small teams or personal projects. Standard plan. For $5 per user per month, the standard plan adds additional features like advanced checklists, custom fields, and unlimited boards. Premium plan. At $10 per user per month, this plan includes timeline views, dashboards, and priority customer support, making it ideal for teams that require more robust project tracking features. Enterprise plan. For larger organizations, Trello offers an enterprise plan with custom pricing, including enhanced security and control features. Trello's free plan is one of its biggest selling points, but for more advanced functionality, teams may need to upgrade to the paid plans. Monday.com offers a more tiered pricing structure compared to Blue.cc and Trello. Free plan. Monday.com's free plan is designed for personal use and small teams of up to 2 users, offering 3 boards and limited functionality. Basic plan. At $8 per user per month, this plan includes unlimited boards and 5 gigabytes of file storage, ideal for small teams. Standard plan. For $10 per user per month, the standard plan includes timeline and Gantt views, automations, and integrations. Pro plan, priced at $16 per user per month, this plan adds advanced features like time tracking and additional automations. Enterprise plan. Monday.com offers custom pricing for its enterprise plan, which includes advanced analytics, security features, and priority support. While Monday.com offers a free plan, the more advanced features come at a higher price compared to Blue features and benefits. Each tool offers a unique set of features designed to help teams manage projects more efficiently. Let's dive into what Blue.cc, Trello, and Monday.com bring to the table. Blue.cc stands out for its simplicity and focus on essential project management features without the clutter. Time tracking. One of Blue.cc's standout features is its built-in time tracking tool, which allows teams to monitor how much time is being spent on tasks. This is ideal for teams that need to track billable hours or ensure efficient use of time. Task dependencies. Blue.cc allows users to set task dependencies, ensuring that projects follow a logical workflow. Team collaboration. The platform is designed for team collaboration with shared project boards, comments, file sharing, and notifications to keep everyone on the same page. Clean and simple interface. Blue.cc is built with simplicity in mind, making it easy for new users to get up and running quickly without a steep learning curve. Blue.cc Pros, affordable pricing, especially for small teams, built-in time tracking without needing third-party integrations, simple and user-friendly interface. Task dependency management is great for teams with complex workflows. Blue.cc Cons, fewer advanced features compared to Monday.com. Limited customization options, not as widely adopted or integrated with other business tools. Trello is best known for its visual approach to project management, using boards and cards to organize tasks. Kanban boards. Trello's core feature is its Kanban boards, which make it easy to visualize tasks, move them through different stages, and assign them to team members. Customization with power-ups. Trello offers a range of add-ons called power-ups, which allow users to integrate other tools, automate workflows, and customize their boards with additional functionality like calendar views and task dependencies. Collaboration. Trello is designed for team collaboration with features like card comments, file attachments, and notifications to keep everyone in sync. Templates. Trello offers a wide range of templates for different use cases, from personal to-do lists to large project plans, making it easy to get started. Trello Pros, extremely intuitive and easy to use, especially for new users. Strong free plan with enough features for small teams. Power-ups offer flexibility in customizing boards to fit team needs. Visual approach makes task tracking straightforward. Trello Cons, advanced features like time tracking and task dependencies require power-ups or paid plans, can become cluttered with large teams and complex projects. Limited reporting and analytics capabilities. Monday.com features and benefits. Monday.com is a feature-rich platform that focuses on customization and visual project tracking. Custom workflows. Monday.com allows teams to create custom workflows tailored to their specific needs, with multiple views like Kanban, boards, Gantt, charts, and timelines. Automation. The platform offers a wide range of automation options, allowing users to set up custom triggers to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and improving efficiency. Integrations. Monday.com integrates with many popular tools, including Slack, Google Workspace, and Zoom, making it easy to connect your existing tools and streamline workflows. Advanced reporting. Monday.com offers robust reporting and analytics features, allowing teams to track progress, monitor workloads, and measure key performance metrics. Time tracking. Like Blue.cc, Monday.com includes time tracking tools for monitoring, task duration, and efficiency. Monday.com Pros, highly customizable with a variety of views and workflows. Strong automation and integration options. Powerful reporting tools for tracking project performance. Excellent for managing complex projects across large teams. Monday.com Cons can become expensive for larger teams or more advanced plans. Steeper learning curve, due to the vast number of features, more complex than Trello and Blue.cc, which may overwhelm smaller teams. Collaboration and workflow management. Collaboration is key to any successful project management tool. Here's the comparison in terms of team collaboration and workflow management. Blue.cc offers basic collaboration tools, including comments, file sharing, and notifications, with an emphasis on simplicity. It's great for small teams that need to manage projects without the complexity of larger platforms. Trello. Known for its ease of collaboration, Trello allows team members to easily comment on tasks, assign due dates, and share files. Its simple board layout is ideal for teams looking for an easy-to-use tool for tracking work. Monday.com. Monday.com excels in team collaboration, offering advanced tools like shared dashboards, workload management, and real-time updates. It's best suited for teams that need to manage more complex workflows across multiple departments. Conclusion: which project management tool is right for you? After comparing Blue.cc, Trello, and Monday.com, the right choice depends on your team's specific needs and budget. Blue.cc is an excellent choice for small teams or startups looking for a simple, affordable project management tool. Its built-in time tracking and straightforward interface make it a strong contender for teams with limited project management experience, but it may lack some advanced features for larger teams. Trello is perfect for teams that want an intuitive visual tool for organizing tasks. Its free plan and ease of use make it ideal for small to medium-sized teams, but more advanced features like time tracking and reporting are only available through power-ups or paid plans. Monday.com is best for larger teams or organizations managing complex projects. Its high level of customization, automation, and advanced reporting features make it a powerful tool, but it comes at a higher price and has a steeper learning curve.